Mark Granger. I'm an arborist community expert, and this is how to tie a retrievable canopy anchor from the ground. After hitting and isolating a shot, use the end of the throw line with a girth hitch to attach to the climb line. After that girth hitch, a series of half hitches. I usually use 2 or 3, with the last one right at the tip of the rope, and that's going to come in handy in just a minute. Pull that rope up and over the branch. Now, tie an Alpine butterfly loop by taking a bite, twisting it, giving it a second twist, feed it around the backside and through the middle. Tie, dress, and set that knot. I use a notch quickie for this, which can conveniently be purchased at TreeStuff.com, through the Alpine butterfly loop, around that standing end of the throw line, close the shackle, and twist it so that that round side is around the throw line. This will allow the tip of the rope to pass through as we send our anchor up into the tree. It might take a little finesse to get this to come through. But once it's through, pull the anchor all the way up into the tree, tie it around the branch, you're ready to climb. Thank you for watching. Please like this video. My name is Mark Granger, and this has been how to set a retrievable canopy anchor from the ground.